2 weeks ago, I realized the arrival direction of 3A Atlas was within 9 degrees of the WOW signal that was detected in 1977, which was an enigmatic, powerful radio signal that definitely came from outside of this Earth. We don't know from where. It was coming from a source that was approaching the sun. And the chance of it aligning with the arrival direction of 3A Atlas is 0.6%. And I just said, well, that's interesting, because 3A Atlas was at a distance of 3 light days from the Earth at that time, and you just need about the output of a nuclear reactor on Earth, a gigawatt or so, to produce such a radio signal.